everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Amanda and I make videos on how to scale your online business and how to sell on Amazon and Etsy. I have been selling on these platforms for over 2 years now, so I have a lot of knowledge in this and I have a lot of experiences that I'm going to share if you follow me on my YouTube channel. So now let's get started. In this video, we are going to talk about my Amazon and my Etsy income report for the year of 2020. So that is what we are going to talk about. So enjoy this video. First, we are going to talk about Amazon. If you have not heard of Amazon, you are probably living under a rock. And yes, Amazon is the world's largest online retailer, so everyone has heard of that. Not necessarily everyone has shopped on it. I know my mom hasn't, but she has heard of it. So I'm pretty sure everyone has heard of Amazon. Amazon has over 150 million Prime users who actively use Amazon yearly. And that does not include shoppers who go on it when they find something they like or need, such as me. I'm not an Amazon Prime member, but I do shop on Amazon when I see something I like, when I can't find something in the store, or when I just feel like spending some money online, I do go to Amazon. And yeah, so a lot of people shop on Amazon. So the cons with Amazon, since it is one of the biggest online retailers, there is more competition, which in turn kind of downs the price of everything on Amazon. So you'll find Amazon can be one of the cheapest places to buy online because there's so much competition from China. And China has the lowest prices, so in turn it kind of drives everyone's prices lower. And that is a con because sometimes when you are selling well, you have a high price, and then China competition comes in, you have to lower your price because your product may be better quality. But when a person has a choice between a $20 item and a $5 item, which this has happened to me, so I know this does happen. I was the $20 item, they were the $5.99 item. And when competition comes in, you have to eventually lower your prices or else you will lose business. And so I know that from personal experience. Amazon does have a lot of competition. That would be a con, but there are so many people who shop on Amazon that it really makes up for the competition because you can put something on Amazon and someone will buy it. I mean, I've put just random things on there and eventually they do get sold. So, and you may have to clearance them out, but eventually someone will buy them because so many people shop on Amazon. Next, we're going to talk about Etsy. Etsy is primarily known as a handmade retailer online. They are also known for unique designs and vintage product as well as craft supplies. Etsy has 39 million active users who shop on Etsy, and that is a lot, but when you compare it to 150 million on Amazon, it is quite a smaller marketplace. And Etsy does have less competition, and a good thing is they do have higher prices. So on Etsy, sometimes you'll see sellers who sell on Amazon and Etsy, and they will have higher prices on Etsy than they will on Amazon. And I actually used to do that myself, but then I felt super guilty. So now I have my products the same price across the board on all of my different sites that I'm on, just because I felt really bad selling it for higher on Etsy. So yeah, that's one thing to know. So now let's get into the meat and potatoes of this whole video. We are going to hop into my computer and I'm going to break down my income reports for the year of 2020. All right, welcome to my computer. So as you can see, this is my Amazon income report. from January 1st, 2020 to December 31st of 2020. So my total income, this is completely gross, is $93,358. Then Amazon charges expenses. So they charge their referral fee, they charge the fulfillment fee, as well as long-term storage. This also takes out with PPC. And yeah, so this is all the fees that they've charged me, and that was $29,262.55. And then the amount that was actually deposited into my bank account was $69,426.06. And of course, we all know that just because this number was transferred to my bank account, that is not all profit at all. All of that money also goes into buying new inventory. A lot of it is product costs and all of my business expenses. So yeah, and I want to tell you how many items I sold. So with this during the year of 2020 on Amazon, I had 5,606 orders on Amazon, which I am actually disappointed about because it should have been more, but unfortunately, some competition came in that I was not expecting, as well as my account got suspended during this year as well, which I will save that for another video because that is a whole video on its own and I do not want to go into that right now. But needless to say, my account was suspended for a couple weeks, and when that happened, I did lose ranking. I had to get my ranking back, and it was just a whole fiasco. So that happened as well. But yeah, so that is what happened for the year of 2020, and I want it to be higher for the year of 2021. So that is my goal with Amazon. And yeah, all right, moving on to Etsy. Okay, here's my income for 2020 for Etsy. Total sales, we had $15,285.95. We had $3,312.73 worth of fees. And mind you, this does include shipping and marketing, which I do ads on Etsy, like $1 per day per item. And they just set me up with that when I first started. And my niche on Etsy is pretty low competition, so I don't really need more ads at the moment. And yeah, so overall I made $11,973.20 on Etsy. And of course, that is not including all my product costs and all my business expenses. And on Etsy, I got 756 orders throughout the entire year. So that is quite lower than Amazon's orders, where I got over 5,000 orders in the year of 2020. And yeah, for just to know, I do have 4 total products that I sell on both Amazon and Etsy. And part of the year I was selling for $20 this product, and then I had to lower it down to $15 because of competition, and I just had to get my ranking back. So that is what happened there. And for the year of 2021, I do have goals. My goals are to scale up, and I want to double this. I want to keep going, work on PPC with Amazon, get back ranked at #1 or at least #2. I just want to get up there again and just keep scaling my business, as well as scaling my Instagram and scaling just my business as a whole. So that is my goal. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, please leave them below and I can address them in a future video if I do a question and answer video or something like that. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And this was just a little sneak peek into my business and what is going on. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.